Good morning. I'm back in the studio. I just woke up and I arrived here. I need to prepare a team building that is gonna be happening. It's gonna be happening this afternoon. And yeah, I'm really tired. I've been performing and working with a dance company for the past month, and also this weekend we had few performances, so I'm destroyed. But yeah, I'm happy to be back here in the Pottery studio and get back to making and finishing some of the pieces that I needed to finish, and then think about what is gonna be next. But for now, we're gonna drink our coffee, slowly get change. This is the outfit we have today. And we're gonna get changed. Why? Because I don't wanna get clay into my clothes, because I wanna try to be cleaner in the studio, in the space, and also not bring some dust into my home and living spaces, which is not a good idea. So if you work with pottery, that's a good thing, a good tip. Just keep yourself clean and don't mess up with clay. Let's get changed. I'm gonna bring those slips, also the testers like this. The students are gonna be able to see all the colors we have. Basically today they're gonna be creating with hands and painting, and then later on I'm gonna bring the pieces into the studio. I'm preparing some cloths and preparing some bowls. I need to get some sponges, all the wooden tools and ribs and everything. So here we have all the slips that I'm gonna bring to the team building, and I'm gonna divide them into two like this, because we're gonna be around 10 people. So like this, if I have a few of the pots with different slips. Oh god. Let me try again. We have the slips in here that are gonna be divided into different pots. Like this, it's gonna be easier for the students to apply the glazes. I'm gonna be preparing first all the materials I need for the team building, and afterwards I'm gonna, if I have time, I'm gonna start working on my own things. So I think I have like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 slips, because the team building is gonna be just one day. I mean, 2 hours and basta. So the thing I'm always doing is with the pinching technique, I teach them how to do bowls or cups or other shapes, and then they start. I forgot, maybe I should ask Brian for some papers like this. They can design first what they wanna create, because I've done a previous team building with them, and this is what I've done. It would speed up a tiny bit the process. Now I'm gonna be just mixing the underglazes and divide them into different pots. So all the slips are ready and we're gonna just pack them here. I'm gonna start putting away the cloth and all the materials we need. I'm going to bring also the textiles, like these people can see the colors of the slips I'm bringing. So I think we're gonna be 15. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Bring all of them just in case. And scissors. So I'm gonna bring 17 sponges. I'm gonna bring also almost all the tools I have. We are not a lot of people, but yeah, I don't know. Like, I think it's easier to bring all of them rather than spending the time selecting the ones I think people might use. So since I have them, I'm gonna bring them. And yeah, also the trimming tools, also some grips, all the brushes I have, also I'm gonna bring them. Then we'll need some wire in order to cut some clay if they want. And one thing that I did not do last time was to prepare the clay in advance, and then I was I was running a tiny bit out of time, so today I'm gonna prepare the pieces that are gonna be like 300 grams each. I think is enough. In case they need some more, I'm gonna bring some extra. But I think I'm gonna bring them already cut. I'm gonna pack them with a plastic bag, and I think that's all we need. I brought 1,000 balls, the small ones and also big ones. So it's time to prepare the clay. I'm gonna bring 300 grams per person and a few extra just in case I don't know, some people, they are really fast and want to create other projects. Maybe 300 is not that much. That's 500. So I'm gonna have 300 instead of 350 maybe. Cause might be too much. 500. Maybe 400. Like 300 now seems like not much. Yeah, around 350, 400 I'm gonna do. Cool, so I've done 20 of them, so I think it's gonna be enough. I'm gonna bring the clay is left, and yeah, I think we're ready. The fun fact is that I said to you guys that I wanted to work on my stuff this morning, and it's currently 2 p.m. This means I won't have time, but well, doesn't matter. I needed to prepare the team building, so this is what we did. I did remove the glove and the other tools because I wanted to place the clay underneath, but I think it's gonna be better if I place it on top. Otherwise it's gonna get smushed into the other tools. And I think this time I'm gonna bring also some examples of shapes, like one of my cups with the bomber face, and others like this one, a little ball, or this cup that doesn't have any shape, but I can show also the carving work. Yeah, I don't know, maybe help some people to decide or to get inspired. Maybe not, maybe yes, who knows. So I think it's ready. I always have the feeling that I'm forgetting something, but yeah, I'm gonna go through the list because I always get some lists done that help me to organize my thoughts and make sure that everything is ready. I'm gonna just get the trolley and go to the Attico, the business in which I'm gonna be teaching the team building. So we have it all packed, and yeah, I'm gonna be closing the studio and going to Urquinaona. The team building is at 6:30, but yeah, now it's almost 2:30. I'm gonna pass by, leave all the stuff, and then go home, have lunch, rest, and then later I'm gonna go straight forward to the team building space. Ay, Mamma mia. Maybe it wasn't a good idea just to pack everything in one box. Oh my god, it's so heavy. Here we have all the things we need for the team building. We are ready. I'm closing the studio, and I'm gonna see you tomorrow, most probably, because I'll try to record some things from the team building, but I don't think I'm gonna have time since I'm gonna be working with 10 people and managing a group of 10 people that maybe they've never worked with clay before. It's just non-stopping. It's like doing a helicopter being an helicopter and just checking everyone, all the needs and everything. So it's gonna be fun. I'm looking forward to it, but yeah, I don't think I'm gonna have time to record anything. So maybe I ask someone to, I don't know, to record some stuff, but yeah, I don't think so, guys.